Hey guys, I wanted to show you something today that is definitely a DOT violation, and it's one of the first things they're going to check when if you get pulled in for an inspection. It's low-hanging fruit, it's an easy catch, and they'll catch it right away. It's one of the first things they check for. And what I'm talking about is these air lines down here. Okay, I'm going to show you something that some people do that causes a problem, and it's easy to prevent. I'm going to show you how to do that today. So let me get my stuff ready and we'll check that out. All right, this trailer is kind of new to me, so I'm just getting around to doing a couple things on it. And one thing here I noticed is whoever in their infinite wisdom put these air lines together here, zip tied these things together. I want to show you what happens. See that rub? See how the air lines are rubbing together? Now if you zip tie these super doggone tight, that might not happen, but this is one of the first things DOT is going to catch when they come looking at your trailer. So let me show you how to fix this here. And it also goes for back under there. You got your brake lines running. See, I already fixed those. I got some more between the axles there I'm going to go do when I'm done with this. But went to Fleet Pride. You can get these about any place, and probably TAs too. These airline spacers. This is a 1/2-inch airline spacer, and what I'm going to do is cut this zip tie, and instead I'm going to put an airline spacer there, and it's going to keep them apart, keep them from rubbing. Now these things were 67 cents a piece, so I'm going to use a whole bunch of them and go through and make sure none of this stuff can rub. It's a cheap, easy solution, and it's nonsensical not to do it. So let me show you one of these quick here, how it's done. Just going to take a knife and cut the zip tie. Make sure, be careful not to cut your hand. And then these can be a bear to get on sometimes. It was that easy. It was as easy. See, now the airline's nice and separated. I'm gonna put one over here. I'm probably put one up here. Keep them apart. And I'm gonna replace over here. I'll probably put 5 or 6 of them on here because the things are so cheap. And then too, you got a little slot in the middle here where you can put this this other line here, if I can get that in there. So simple, easy way to keep yourself out of trouble. Let me finish this up here and I'll show you the finished product. And here we go. I put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I put 7 on here. Part of what the problem is, I see now that I messed with it, is whoever put these airlines together twisted them and looped them through each other, so it's constantly wanting to go the wrong way here. But anyway, this fixes the problem. And then no matter, nice part about having the spacers in, no matter if you slide your tandems up or back, they keep them apart and you don't have to worry about it. So just wanted to show you that today, keep you from getting any kind of violation like that. Take care, have a good one.